Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate with this vehicle, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. You do get outlets, lights, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down with measurements on the gate. And it is powered, so we'll go up automatically and down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot of gear in your hand. All you have to do, lift it up with your knee, and it will go up automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards. Side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated mirrors. And moving to the front here, we do get black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice front view camera. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior. We do get flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage, heated back seats, USB-Cs, 120 volt, and rear vents. You can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, power folding mirrors, memory seating for the 3 drivers, auto stop booster, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 42 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To mirror, we got our gear slot that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Got that center console here as well, with an interior work surface that you can put your laptop, your food, paperwork, anything you really want. More storage here as well. Rear locking diff, dry modes, and 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with heated and cooled front seats. There's that heated steering wheel, dual climate, some outlets on the side here, storage above, below. On the dash with that lovely B&O sound system, we do get a powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, park sensing you can turn on or off, and we do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Now looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC01690, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.